keep away from people who try to belittle your ambitions. Small people always do that, but the really great make you feel that you, too, can become great. Of all the animals, man is the only one that is cruel. He is the only one that inflicts pain for the pleasure of doing it. Truth is stranger than fiction, but it is because fiction is obliged to stick to possibilities. Truth isn't. Anger is an acid that can do more harm to the vessel in which it is stored than to anything on which it is poured. Never argue with stupid people. They will drag you down to their level and then beat you with experience. Do the right thing. It will gratify some people and astonish the rest. Forgiveness is the fragrance that the violet sheds on the heel that has crushed it. There are no people who are quite so vulgar as the over-refined. When you fish for love, bait with your heart, not your brain. Classic, a book which people praise and don't read.